Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today guys, what we're going to be doing is a little day-by-day unboxing of the Birchbox advent calendar. I have it here. We're going to be taking a little look at each product day by day. Okay, so like I've just said, my plan is to go day by day through the advent calendar this December with you guys, talking about each of the products in there. So obviously today we're going to start with box number 1. So I don't think I'll be getting the advent calendar out every single video, but I'll just, obviously be showing you the products because that's the important part. So if you've seen my unboxing video, you'll know what it looks like. It's a nice little house shape with 2 big doors, and inside there are lots of drawers. And this one today is going to be number 1. Okay then, so if you've seen my big unboxing video, you will already know what's in number 1. I'm really excited about this one. So in drawer number 1, you get a Benefit roller lash. And as you will know if you've seen, like I say, my unboxing or my makeup favourites video, I absolutely love Benefit mascaras. And I haven't actually tried the roller lash one, unbelievably enough, but my very favourite go-to everyday favourite mascara is the Benefit They're Real. I absolutely love that. And I'm also a huge fan of the Bad Gal Bang that was just brought out over this year. So I am expecting great things from this and I'm excited to try it. So as you might be able to tell, I've got no mascara on at the moment, so I am going to give this a little try for you guys. So I'll try and zoom the camera in and we'll see what we think. Okay then guys, quite scary, I'm a lot closer and I haven't got any makeup on my eyes, so it's a little crazy. Now I'm going to be looking at the viewfinder as I try and do my mascara, so if I'm looking over there and not over there where the camera is, I apologise. It's just because that's how I'm going to have to put on my makeup. Well, my mascara. Okay then, so this is the mascara. I will show you the wand. So this is just a mini item, it's not a full-size item, but you know what? I think it'll be good. I've had Benefit minis before and they last forever, so. Right then guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the mascara on this eye and I'm not going to bother putting it on this one, and then we can see a bit of a comparison. So at the moment you'll be able to see I have a decent length of lash, or we would look at this one. I have a decent, but they are very, very pale, very blonde. So I do need mascara to kind of bring them out of themselves, as it were. Okay then guys, so let's try. I do apologise for my nails, by the way. They are breaking at the minute and horrendous. Okay then, on with the product. I've just quickly picked up a photo frame mirror just to kind of help me have a little look. You know what though, other than I'm finding it clumping at the sides, I really like it. Yes, no, I do like it. I find lifting the lashes quite a lot. What I would probably do is get another lash brush or a comb and kind of separate those a little where it's clumping together. Other than that, I feel like it's really lifted my lashes, and I've just put mascara in my hair, I think, but never mind. What do you think? In comparison, it's great. Okay, so I tell you what, I'll do it off camera because it's going to take forever. I'm going to just pop on some mascara on this eye too. Okay, so I now have the roller lash on both of my eyes at the top. I haven't put any on the bottoms yet. But I think this eye went on a little bit better actually than this one did, as maybe I was concentrating, not bothering about where the camera was or whatever. I really like it. I mean, it's not going to replace my They're Real, I don't think. I don't know what happened, like the corners it doesn't seem to deal with as well. I ended up kind of clumping them together here, I think, by trying to correct that. That's my bad. Right, I'm going to pop a little bit on my bottom lashes. Okay then guys, so other than a bit of clumping over here, which I may have caused by putting a little bit more on than I needed to, perhaps, trying to sort out this lash in the corner. I don't know what's going on with it. But other than that, look at them, I think they look really nice. I do feel like it's lifted my lashes, and if lifted curling, is that a very similar thing? What's going on with my hair? So anyway, I'm quite happy with that. So I've now got the roller lash on and I really like it. I did have a little bit of an issue, obviously, with the corner of my eye, but that's probably just user error, and it is the first time that I've tried this mascara. But I do find it lifts my lashes really nicely and it does the job, so fantastic. So the mini version costs around £10, it's either something like £9.50 or £10.50, and the full size version is £21.50. It is a bit steep sometimes for a mascara. I found, you know, nice ones that are a lot cheaper, but they are great. Benefit's always my go-to mascara. I wear their real day to day, and Bad Gal Bang I kind of bring out for special occasions to create a bit more of a dramatic look. And who knows, maybe Roller Lash will now be in that collection. So guys, that was draw number 1. And the next video will be up tomorrow. I will be putting them up day by day, probably about 6 or 7 o'clock every night. So hopefully you will have opened your calendar by then if you have a Birchbox. And if you don't, then you're getting a nice little rundown of the products that are in it, and then you can see what is actually worth buying. So you don't have to buy all the products if some of them are duds. So guys, if you've liked that video, then as ever, please hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe, because there will be an advent calendar video up every single day talking about the products in my Birchbox advent calendar. And remember, there's a giveaway coming soon, so tell your friends. And until then, well, until tomorrow, I will see you soon. Bye bye.